voice is so terrific. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, yo. Blah, blah. What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So at this point, we're gonna react to a month-old track done by Miss Ardo, and that track is called Shoka. It's my first time checking out this track in a very long time. I think I've done a reaction to Ardo like about 2 months ago. So I'm eager to learn something new right now and what Ardo capabilities are in this track. So let's take a walk. Very good. She have a beautiful tempo, a very great voice to captivate others so they can come on to listen because she's very much underrated. And once we can find someone who can get so much rating from anyone, then eventually it would be Ado. Trust me. And I do appreciate her music. Her music, it's life, bro. And if you want to feel good, if you want to feel joyful, then feel free to check out all those performances. Wonder, right? When she shouts like this, does her throat hurts? Because there's no way she's a woman and she's shouting so vigorously. And this is what makes her special, her wonderful, beautiful voice. She's a woman and she's doing this effortlessly. A very great artist. And once we can find an artist with such great talent, let's embrace it because talent is very good to have, especially nowadays where talent is so freely adopted. Everyone is born with a special talent. But Ada, she's different, she's special, right? And she's showcasing what she's capable of. And I do love it. She's talented. Never compliment the art. The art in this music video, it's creepy as fuck, bro. Like, it's creepy. Damn, yo. Look at those eyeballs. Oh, they are twitching. It looks so creepy. Damn. It's so much, quite a captivation. As a Jamaican, bro, I'm not sure if her music plays in my country, Jamaica, but if not, I'll be the first to be a fan of Ado. And she's not new to my page, bro. I've done a reaction to her like 10 months ago, the first time I've seen this woman. And from then, I'm a big fan of her music. Very big fan of her music. The creepy heart. So I guess this is the reason why she's crying because, you know, something terrible is going on, right? She used the flowers to show beauty as well. And this is a wonderful, wonderful scenery. Oh, oh, oh! I guess she's in captive. She's captivated. Wow. Wow, I can see handcuffs here displaying. So I guess something terribly happened while she was cuffed. So this is the reason why she's emotional. Because she was cuffed. She's confused. Right? So this is a phenomenon. This is a phenomenon. She using artwork to display what she's going through or what someone is going through in their daily lives of, in the criminal world. And I love it. Why have they imprisoned her? Because she's in tears, she's in shambles. So why have they prisoner? Damn. Whoa. Whoa, she's hurting, bro. And I can see that she's hurting. A lot of tears are being flowing. And bro, once you're in captive, bro, it's sad unless someone comes and bail you, but people do not care if you're in captive. Unless you have a family member who would love to show some love and come. Oh, she's crazy. Wha- wha- She's crazy, bro. She's crazy. And I guess this red substance on her hand, it's blood. I think it's blood. I think it's blood, bro. Very, very good creativity. I mean, like the clothes are very wonderful here. Everything seems so good in this music video. I gotta say 10 out of 10. Well done, Ado. Well done. You have done a great job, beautiful, and I accept this as one of my favorite songs done by Ado. And if you guys enjoy this reaction, remember to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, turn the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time I release another video done by Ado. And also share this to a friend telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.